So this concludes the 2014 colour therapy. We are done and everything is pretty much ready and good to go. So with this one, as you remember, if you've been a subscriber for a few months, it was driver's side that took the hit, and we needed a new bumper and wing and headlight. Managed to salvage the bonnet, partly resprayed that, and then down on the rear, that had taken a big clunk, and managed to straighten that out and resprayed that, and obviously fitted and resprayed these new therapy hubcaps. As you can see, they're sort of white, but actually realistically they're not. These are white wing mirrors anyway, so it's actually not too bad. Obviously the original factory was slightly cream, but they're pretty decent actually, and no one's really going to know as long as all four are matching. Then from the rear, nothing's changed there, I don't think. I think we had some new tyres put on, didn't we? Had some new tyres put on. Nothing on this side either. And yeah, and then inside is the sort of the slightly funky gear knob, and then because this is a pre-facelift, we've got slightly different seats as well, and then we're going to put a FM transmitter Bluetooth in there, so at least gives you access to the Bluetooth. But no advisories on the MOT. So yeah, it's cat in 43,000 miles on the clock, so relatively low. I'm trying to think, can't remember off the top of my head now, if discs and pads were needed, but anyway, done. We've obviously got no service history with it. I've tried to track it down, no use unfortunately, but it drives pretty nice. There's no issues with it, and yeah, my first colour therapy in the cars in the 500s that I've done. So hopefully with this nice colour it's going to sell, and yeah, oh yeah, and pretty much just polished the crap out of the scuffs and everything that were left on the car. Obviously grey is not a particularly great colour, it shows up absolutely everything, and this had some right little dinks and everything, but I've managed to get pretty much all of them out actually. So yeah, I think she's come out all right in the end. Again, it's not for everyone. Therapies aren't for everyone. Whether you'd have a therapy over a pop is another thing. How long those hubcaps stay on for, I don't know, but obviously people can choose to tie wrap them if they wanted. But other than that, yeah, it's just basically a pop. So with that is going to be the end of this one. I don't know how long it will take to sell, and I've got no idea what I want to put it on at either, but yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. Let me know your thoughts, your final thoughts on this, and yeah, I'll end up catching up with you all again very, very soon. Again, don't forget to hit the like button and the bell button for more videos, and until next time, I'll see you all again very, very soon.